They are the world-leading global e-commerce marketplace for both large and small businesses. Hello beautiful electric people, welcome to the Electric Project. My name is Sophia and here we become the best versions of ourselves and our businesses. I get literally so many questions about where we get the boxes from for electric jewelry, and finally in this video I'm going to tell you all the secrets how to find a good supplier for your packaging. Beautiful packaging can really add to your brand story, and especially for jewelry since it's a luxury item, making sure the packaging is as beautiful as the item itself can really elevate your product. There are many different types of jewelry. You have boxes, pouches, and even more available on the marketplace. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to find the best suppliers for your jewelry packaging. So what I like to do is start my search for new packaging suppliers on Alibaba.com. They are the world-leading global e-commerce marketplace for both large and small businesses. They have more than 100,000 global suppliers in 40 categories. So this is the place to find your new supplier or manufacturer. Something I really like on Alibaba.com and sharing their website with you guys is that new buyers get free shipping on their first order, which is super helpful if you are a starting entrepreneur. So this is where the magic happens for all small business owners. I absolutely love Alibaba.com because it makes it so easy for new entrepreneurs like many of you guys to find new suppliers. Like I said, they have 40 different categories, so you will definitely find something for your small business. But as you guys know, I'm in the jewelry business and I'm going to show you how you can look for jewelry packaging suppliers through Alibaba.com. At the top you have the search bar. You can search on products or suppliers. In our case, we're just going to look for products. A super handy tool they have is search by image. So if you've seen a type of packaging at your competitor's website or Instagram or whatever, and you have no idea what the name is of that packaging, you can just make a screenshot and drop the image here. So you click the little photo icon and then you click on search by image, upload an image, and then boom, you have a lot of similar photos. In this case, these are all jewelry pouches, and here you can see all the suppliers that make these jewelry pouches. For example, this is a supplier that sells these jewelry pouches for $15 up to $46 per piece, with a minimum order quantity of 500 pieces, which means the minimum you need to buy in order to get this good price is 500 pieces. Now, for many small businesses, this is way too much. But like I said, Alibaba is here for small businesses as well. So what we're going to do is type in jewelry pouch, hit enter. Here on the left, you can put more specifications for your search term. Let's say minimum order less than, you're just starting out, less than 50 jewelry packaging pouches. And as you can see, now you have options of 10 pieces minimum order, even 1 piece, 50 pieces, 10 pieces. So there are a lot of opportunities. Oh my god, this one is so cute. As you can see, many opportunities to get a packaging that is fitting to your brand. On the left, you can also specificate your search on based on price or even supplier, country, region. As you can see, the suppliers are from many countries. And even certain standards. BSCI has to do with business social compliance, and ISO are certain standards. So if you would like to have a product that is made by these standards, you can filter on these. Now let's go back to the cute little jewelry pouch I really liked. I think it's this one. If you click on it, immediately there starts a video playing of the supplier. When you scroll down, here you have some more information, lead times, how long does it take for your order to be created. Here you can see material type, the dimensions, everything you need to know before purchasing this order. And here on the right you can see that this supplier has 2 years of selling experience on Alibaba.com. They respond under 5 hours and they have a 78% on-time delivery date. Let's say this is exactly what I've been looking for my jewelry brand. You can easily hit contact supplier, and here you can negotiate the price. You can ask what it costs to put your logo brand on the pouch. You can ask them all kinds of questions. The contact goes through Alibaba.com and everything stays in one place here on the top right at messages. This is how I started out. When I just started electric jewelry, I was buying my jewelry packaging here, and I still do because I just really like the quality and the supplier I'm working with. And you definitely don't have to be a big company in order to buy from wholesalers. Some other tips I just have to share with you guys when it comes to buying packaging for your jewelry store. If your jewelry business is mostly selling online, make sure that your jewelry boxes actually fit the mailbox. Here in the Netherlands we have specific measurements for the mailbox, and I'm sure you have it in your country as well. Make sure you look up these measurements. Another tip to save some money when it comes to shipping, because shipping costs can be quite expensive as a small business. When you go for jewelry boxes like these are heavier than pouches. So what I would recommend, if you want to go a bit more economical, go for the pouches, because it's less weight and you will pay less shipping costs when you go for this one. I understand that these jewelry boxes that can open the lid kind of look more expensive, but trust me, in the beginning, if you don't have a lot of money, go with the pouches. These are cute as well, and these are just way more lightweight. And then last but not least, make sure to tell your graphic designer that the logo needs to be a vector. And most graphic designers already know this. Just so you understand as well, a vector logo can be in any measurement you want. You can make it bigger and smaller without losing quality. So when you send your logo to the packaging supplier, make sure it is a vector logo. Hopefully this video answered many of your burning questions regarding finding new packaging suppliers. I had a lot of questions from you guys regarding this topic. I hope everything is clear now. If you find this video helpful, put a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks regarding starting your own business. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!